Hey students, welcome back to my channel Maths and Science Guru. We know this very well that setting up of a routine and following that is how much necessary. But most of the time what happens, we make timetable but don't follow that. Even after knowing how to follow them, just because we find it difficult to implement them actually in our life. So I thought putting a mere timetable before you will not be enough. So, along with the scientific and smart timetable, today I have come with some marvelous bonus tips to help you out to practically try and own the timetable. Watch the entire video to discover the last big bonus tip. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel Maths and Science Guru. It's absolutely free of cost for you, but genuinely carries a huge value for us. And in order to get timely notification of my newly posted videos, please kindly click the bell icon right next to the subscribe button and select the option all. So now, let's get started. First of all, let us start with a scientific, smart and realistic timetable, which is neither compromising with your social life nor with your studies. Here, I am presenting a demo, an example, in order to provide you a frame idea about how a proper timetable should look like. 6 am, wake up. Now, from 7 am to 10 am, sit for your morning studies. Pick up the topics which may probably discussed in your class today and make yourself ready so that you can answer to the questions if your teacher asks any in the class regarding your syllabus. These 3 hours morning studies will certainly aid you in grabbing the topics what your teacher will teach you today. Now, after coming from your school or college, try to have a 1 hour rest so that again you feel boosted up to productively utilize the remaining hours of your day. In this demo timetable, I have taken that 1 hour rest from 4 pm to evening 5. Now, take a break. Do anything what you like or enjoy while doing after this 1 hour rest or nap. This might be talking to your friends, playing your favorite games either with your parents and siblings, or simply you can go for some easy workouts. In this demo timetable, I have included this break time from 5 pm to 6 pm. Now, after that, relax yourself for about half an hour. Take some proper snacks and again sit for your studies for about 3 hours or up to the time where you are absolutely comfortable. I have added this study time from evening 6:30 to 9:30 pm in our demo timetable. But as we know that each of us have a different daily schedule, following this particular timetable may be something impossible. But again, this timetable have been created to provide you some ideas that how we can make a scientific, smart and realistic timetable which is not at all compromising with your studies and also have taken cognizance of your refreshment and breaks. Whenever you are creating a timetable, always add times for your refreshment so that you can follow the timetable practically without any kind of procrastination. Now, let us move to the bonus tips about which I was saying. Tip number 1. Always set realistic goals. Your targets and deadlines must be achievable. It should be realistic and you must take cognizance of your capacity while setting up of your goals and its deadline. Number 2. Take breaks. Yeah, you have heard right. Take breaks. It will not only help you to keep your brain fresh but also make it ready for the next task. Tip number 3. Revision. Always try to add time for the part of your syllabus which you have already finished. If you are learning something new in the morning study schedule, then try to revise the older ones or the topics which have been taught in your class today at the evening study time. Tip number 4. Keep yourself far from distractions. Always try your best to choose for a study place which is absolutely far away from any kind of distractions. It will help you to not to become desperate for the things which runs your planned schedule. Tip number 5. Don't procrastinate with your set schedule. Always remember that your habit of procrastination is the biggest enemy to your set timetable. So never give excuses for delaying the task of your schedule. Let us understand this briefly. Suppose you have set the time to wake up at 7 am and decided for a 1 hour workout. But when the alarm rings, you begin to think, why now? I can also do it by afternoon when I am absolutely free and finished with my major big task. No, this is not what you're supposed to do. Never procrastinate with your set schedule. Always try to be honest and punctual. Now at last, one big bonus tip. Always give regular glances to your schedule and its settings. It's not necessary that your each day will be same. Even if honestly and truly speaking, then almost every day is a little different from the previous one. One day you may get so many assignments, and on the other hand, you may get a holiday sometimes. So, keeping that in head, always change the settings of your timetable regularly.